Hello everybody, we're going to talk about the song The Yellow Rose of Texas. So let's go to PowerPoint.
The Yellow Rose of Texas is a traditional American folk song dating back to at least the 1850s. Members of the Western Writers of America chose it as one of the top 100 Western songs of all time. Several versions of the song have been recorded, included by Elvis Presley, Willie Nelson, and Mitch Miller.
Origin. The earliest known version is found in Christie's Plantations Melodies, number 2, a songbook published under the authority of Edwin Pierce Christie in Philadelphia in 1853. Christie was the founder of the black something minstrel known as the Christie's Minstrels. Like most minstrels, songs and the lyrics were written in a cross between a parody of a generic Creole dialect historically attributed to African Americans. So just scroll down.
African American singer who refers to himself as a darky, longing to return to a yellow girl, that is, a light-skinned or biracial woman born of African American, and European American progenitors.
Great. So there's some work that needs to be done on this PowerPoint. So any recommendations you have for us, we gladly appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, this is our first video. So
this is our first video, correct?
we're very open to your feedback.
Well, most of it.